Hi, Glenn here from GMT Pointing Specialist Limited. Just a few tips on how to put your scaffolding up. What I do is I have a double inside board, which is where the uprights are here. Have two boards on the inside, so that way I can put my hop-ups, which are there, if you can just about see them, so I can higher and lower the two inside boards. Any scaffolding that's touching the wall, I get them to put little caps on. See that scaffolding down there, it's touching the wall, so they've got a cap on it just to stop putting a circle on the brickwork. But it's a pretty good job, that one. They've gone over the edge like I've asked them to as well, so you're not hanging off the side of the scaffolding. I've got my gin wheel at the top. My long rope makes life so much easier. I wish I'd done it years ago. And then on the front, I've gone for only one flight, and then what I'll do is I'll put my little hop-ups on the front, so it saves on scaffolding and money. But that's little tips for you. You know, anything that touches the wall there, cap. Little gap on the front so I can put my board and brush all the dust and rubbish off the scaffolding onto the floor so I can collect it. But any questions, just give me a message. Thank you.